Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to integrate barcode scanner with Excel. Firstly, open your OrcaScan application and navigate to the integrations menu at the top of the sheet. Turn on allow public URL access to create a link for your real-time scanned data. Copy the live data URL that appears, then click Save to confirm your changes. This will activate the real-time data sharing link. Open Microsoft Excel and go to the Data tab. Select Get Data from other sources than from web. A new window will appear past the live data URL you copied from the OrcaScan, then click OK. Choose Anonymous as the connection method, then click Connect to import the data. Once the data is loaded, click Load to import into your spreadsheet. You will see your barcode data appear in the sheet. Finally, to refresh manually, click the Refresh button in Excel. You can set automatic update intervals to get the latest scanned data. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.